Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chocolate fondants. It is a very quick, very easy recipe that will guarantee a liquid, chocolatey, beautiful center every single time. There is a small trick to it, so stay tuned and see how it's done. First of all, before we start to make the fondants, we need to heat up the oven. We will be baking the fondants in quite high temperature. It will be 215 or 220 degrees Celsius. So make sure your oven is hot and ready when you finish the fondants. In the beginning, we have to combine butter and a chocolate. It is a dark chocolate, minimum 70% of cacao. And right now we just need to melt it. You can do it in the microwave and you can do it in the bain-marie, so on the steam. I do it in microwave. The chocolate and the butter are melted together and right now we just set them aside to cool down. In the meantime, we have our egg white, we add sugar and we need to whip it until stiff peaks appear. The egg whites are ready and right now we add egg yolk and just mix very gently, very quickly to combine. That's it. Right now we add the cocoa powder. We need to sieve it unless we want some small pieces of the cacao which are not incorporated well into the butter. We mix gently just to combine and right now we add the butter and chocolate mixture and we mix gently as well just to combine these two. And that's it, our fondant mixture is ready. I have two fondant forms. This is the same kind of form you can use to make muffins. We fill them in with the butter, almost to the rim, but we need to leave a little bit of the room still left. And now my trick to do the fondants very quickly. Lindors. These are really nice pieces of ganache ready-made. One of them I will be doing with white chocolate. We just put it inside, press it gently right to the middle. The other one will be very rich and dark chocolate. We push it into the middle like this, and right now the only thing we need to do is cover the top of the Lindor so there is no space left, like this, and they are ready. Of course, if you know how to make ganache and you want to make it yourself, you are free to do so. But because you need to make the ganache much more in advance in order for it to set in the fridge, you need to make sure that you have one ready when you are doing the fondants. But if you want to make the fondants just like that, 5 minutes, and you can do it if you have Lindors in your cupboard. So this is my very quick and easy way to do it. It doesn't matter, it doesn't mean that you cannot do it with your own fondant. So right now, baking. We will be baking it for only 5 minutes. This is very, very hot oven, so we don't need to bake it for more than that. The top will be already risen and it will be you can just see that it's ready. I will show you how it looks. In the meantime, while it's baking, if you want to prepare some toppings or some small additions to the dessert, you can do it. I will be serving them with a bit of the cherry compote and mascarpone cheese. Right now, baking. After 5 minutes, they are ready to be taken out of the oven. As you can see, they have risen very, very nicely. Let me take them to the table so I can tell you how to take them out and how they look inside. Now, just need that. Okay. The other one. And right now the most important thing is the middle runny. Here it is. The middle is super runny. And in this one there is a nice white one. I hope guys you enjoy them as much as I do. I really recommend to do them for yourself, for your family, friends, just to impress them and just dig in, just enjoy them. It's pure chocolate, the best thing you can eat. Thank you very much for watching guys and see you next time. Thank you.